Hello students, how are you all? I hope that you all are fit and fine. Now, today in this English class, I am going to start grammar topic. Guys, I will continue your topic active voice and passive voice. In the previous video, I have discussed with you that what is active voice and what is passive voice and how to change the simple sentences into passive voice. Okay, I have already told you how to change a present tense into passive voice. Now in this video I'm going to tell you about past tense. Means if your sentence, if your active voice is in past tense, then how to change it into passive voice. So let's start with simple past tense. Guys, if your active voice is in simple past tense, so how to make the passive voice? As you can see in this example, in this picture, that he wrote a letter. Okay, this is the active voice. Now if you want to make the passive voice is this sentence, so all the rules will be same as I have told you in present tense. Okay, we will interchange the position of subject and object. Okay, and we will use preposition by, and then we will use the third form of the verb, and we use the helping verb according to the tense. Okay, so guys, as you can see in this example, he wrote a letter. In this sentence the verb wrote is in past tense, so it is telling us that our sentence is in past tense. Okay, so guys, to make it passive voice we will use was or were. Okay, so have a look on the example. We interchange the position of subject and object. So a letter will come in the place of subject and he will go in the place of object, so it will become him, and before the object we will put preposition by. Okay, so letter, a letter, and by him. Now before the object we will write the third form. So what is the third form of write? That is written. So we have written over here. Okay, then now we will see that was will come or were will come. So for that we have to see that our subject is singular or plural. So as you can see that a letter is singular, so we have used here was. So see the structure of the sentence. A letter was written by him. All right, so now the next example, he wrote letters. Now in this sentence he is the subject and letters are the object. So very first we will interchange the position of subject and object. So see, letters and there by him. Third form of the verb wrote is written. That we also have written. Now we will use helping verb according to the subject number. Okay, so as you can see that letters to here, that is plural, so that's why we have used here were. Letters were written by him. Okay, so what is the rule in passive voice? In past tense we write the subject, then was or were according to the number of the subject, and then third form of the verb by, and then object. Okay, now see the another example, so things will be more clear to you. The cat killed a snake. In this sentence the cat is the subject and a snake is the object, and we can see that the verb, main verb killed, is in second form. So it is telling us that our sentence is in past tense. Now change it into passive voice. We will change the position of subject and object. Now you can see our snake will become our subject and we put the cat in the place of object, and before the object we have written preposition by. Okay, so and we have to use the third form of the main verb, that is killed. So we have written over here. Now we have to use was or were. What will come? As you can see in this picture, a snake is singular. That's why we have used here was. So what is the sentence? A snake was killed by the cat. Have a look on the another example. Carol sold the house. Okay, this is also the example of past tense. As you can see, the verb sold is in second form. Okay, so now change this into passive voice. The house was sold by Carol. Okay, now move on the next, that is past continuous. Guys, if your active voice is in past continuous tense, then how you will change it into passive voice? Okay, have a look on the rules. So for that, other rules will be same, only we will change the auxiliary verbs. Okay, so we will make the object of the active voice to the object of the active voice will become the subject of the passive voice. As you can see in this structure, object of the active voice plus was, were, because we are making the past. Okay, if the sentence is in past, and because it is in continuous, so we will add being, being also, and after that past participle form of the verb, that is third form, and by plus subject of the active sentence. As you can see in this example, a novel was being written by her. Have a look on the another example, so things will be more clear to you. Guys, what we have done, only the changes is there, that in past continuous we have added being, being after the auxiliary verb. Rest rule will be same. Okay, see the example. The teacher was explaining the answer. This is the active voice. Now interchange the position of subject and object, so the answer will become the answers will become our subject, and the teacher will become the object, and before the object we have written the preposition by. Now what is the third form of the verb explain? That is explained. This also we have written. Now our subject, the answers, it is plural, that's why we have used here were. Okay, now as we know that we are making the past continuous tense passive voice, so we will use here being, being. So see, sentence क्या बना? The answers were being explained by the teacher. Now guys, the next one is past perfect tense. If your active voice is in past perfect tense, then how you will make a passive voice? See, as we all know that in active voice we use had. Okay, for past perfect tense we use had plus third form of the verb. So if you want to make it passive, so you have to put being, been after the had, and the rest rule will be same. As you can see, object of the active voice will become our subject. Okay, then had plus being, been, then third form of the verb, then preposition by, and then subject of the active voice, that will become here object. Okay, as you can see in this example, so things will be more clear to you. Girl had clicked selfie. Okay, so here what is the subject? The subject is girl, and what is the object? The object is selfie. So very first we will interchange the position. Selfie will come in the place of subject and girl will go in the place of object, and before the object we have used by in the passive voice. We have also used third form of the verb click, that is also clicked. And as we know that the sentence active voice is in past perfect tense, we have used here had, and we know that in passive voice we use being, been, had been. So see the sentence in passive voice, selfie had been clicked by girl. So guys, this is the rules to change the simple past tense, past continuous tense and past perfect tense into passive voice, and I hope that it is clear to you.